Welcome to Chimahaba Spiritual TV, where spirituality is our watchword. Please consider subscribing, like our videos, share our videos, and comment on the comment section. Hello viewers, you are welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for always stopping by. In today's video, I'll be talking about this powerful cleansing, this powerful evil remover, which is not an ordinary cleansing. It is a very powerful evil removal cleansing. You know, every one of us is used to the word cleansing, but this one is cleansing powerful evil remover. Yes, so that this cleansing will remove all sorts of negativities from your life. It will bring and open doors for you. It's going to remove every kind of causes or every forms of stagnation from your life. Any kind of delay, setback, barrenness, rising and falling is a very powerful cleansing. I call this road opener cleansing. Whatever challenges that you are having after doing this cleansing, you will have reasons to thank God. And for those of us having spirit of stagnation, spirit of failure, you have done all sort of cleansing, all sort of things, and nothing ceases to work for you. By the grace of God, after doing this particular cleansing, you will see changes in your life. If you are the type that spiritual product or spiritual work does not work for, this will definitely work for you. It's going to be a stepping stone to what you are looking for. For those who are facing setback, stagnation, they struggle day in, day out, and they have nothing to show for it, this cleansing will cleanse your ways by the special grace of God. Are you facing spiritual cobweb, spiritual mark, spiritual hatred? This cleansing will help you to remove those things. Are you always encountering spirit of hatred? Are you always encountering attack? Yes. Even when people see your face alone, it offends them. When hearing your voice alone, it's like you have provoked them. After doing this cleansing, people will begin to love you. If you are the type that experience poverty, when good things is about to happen to you, one thing or the other will happen for that thing to stop getting to you. This particular recipe will eliminate that spirit of near success syndrome. Are you the type that always encounter promise and faith? They promise you, and when it's time for you to get that thing, you will only be disappointed. This cleansing is very powerful to remove that spirit of promise and faith. All what it requires for you to do this particular cleansing is just two things that are common that you can get by yourself. And we have used these two things on this channel. You can check in our old videos. We have made so many videos with coconut and urine. So on this particular recipe, what you need is coconut. Coconut is a very powerful fruit that God created. Everybody eats it, but it has so many spiritual and health benefits. If you are the type that always have headache, or your kids always have the headache, all you need to do is to go inside the market and buy coconut. Open it from one of the eyes, because coconut used to have three eyes. So you open it from one of the eyes and use the water to wash your head, or use the water to wash that your kid says that normally have headache, that normally have head chafe, and that will remove. Yes. And if you have somebody that always have a mental issue or spiritual madness or any kind of madness, using coconut water and ogrishi leaf will stop that particular insanity. Yes. Another health benefit of coconut water. Yes. If you notice that you took overdose of any drugs, or you see somebody that took overdose of any drugs, if you can get coconut water and give to those person, it is going to vomit those drugs. Yes. It have spiritual benefit and also physical benefit. Yes. The spiritual benefit of coconut water, You can use it to break curses. You can use it to remove the spirit of hatred, the spirit of setbackness, the spirit of bad luck, the spirit of disappointment. If only you know how to use it. If you only you know the direction that you will follow in order for you to get the result that you need. The next ingredient that we'll be using on this recipe is your early morning urine. I have made a lot of video on our early morning urine because our early morning urine is very powerful. You use it to destroy spells. You use it to remove spells. Yes, you can use your early morning urine to heal your spiritual illness and affliction. If you are battling with any spiritual challenges, like you can use your early morning urine to remove every spiritual. So early morning urine is very powerful to destroy any kind of spell. When I mean spell, I am serious about that. You can only use it to destroy any forms of charm in your sickness. If you are battling with any kind of spiritual sickness, drinking your early morning urine with alligator pepper will cure that spiritual sickness. Be it spiritual poison, drinking your early morning urine with alligator pepper will destroy that spiritual poison. When you combine your early morning urine with coconut water, it's going to do wonders in your life. It's going to stop any form of stagnation, any form of delay, any form of step back, any kind of ancestral cause that may be kicking you back, any sign of foundational cause that is making you not to be where your mates are, that is making you to struggle. At the end of the day, you have nothing to show for it. Yes, this combination of this particular spiritual element will help you to open your doors. Yes, in this cleansing, you are going to be needing 7 coconut and your early morning urine. Remember, the number 7 means perfection, publication, conclusion. When you get your 7 coconut and your early morning urine, before I tell you how you are going to use it, I would like to introduce myself and my product for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time. My name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problem using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. So if you are just joining us for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, we have our spiritual material that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying it, and it has been from one testimony to the other. We have the Harm Me Not soap. If you are afraid that your enemies are going to destroy you, if you are afraid of that man, that woman that has tell you that he will never have rest until you have seen that you are no more on this earth. We have the Harm Me Not soap. When you are using this soap to bathe, no matter the utterances, no matter the enchantment, no matter the evil forces that they are sending to you, it will not have effective in your body. We have the curse breaking soap. We have the road opening soap. We have the anti-witchcraft soap. For those of you who are under witchcraft activities, have the witchcraft made your life miserable? Has they been eating you at night, sucking your body, tearing your body? When you wake up, it's as if somebody has used razor blade to cut you. We have the anti-witchcraft soap. When you are using this soap to bathe, those evil, those witchcraft people will run from you. They will never see you and stay. We have the back to sender soap. For those of you who they have been throwing evil arrow from the east to the west, to the north, to the south, from your paternal side, from your maternal side, that your evil uncle, that your evil sister has been throwing an evil arrow of poverty, evil arrows of sickness, trying to manipulate your wealth, trying to manipulate your family. When you are using this particular soap to take your bath, that evil will return back to sender, to him or that has sent it. It is called back to sender soap. We have the spiritual cleansing bath detox. For those of you whose spiritual work has not been working for, whose spiritual tips has not been working for, you have been doing so many spiritual YouTubers tips, it's not working for you. When you use this cleansing bath detox to cleanse your body, you will see your things will start to move very fine. We have the Equal Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. It is crawling all over your body. It is crawling all over your chest, all over your stomach? Is it going down to your buttocks? Is it crawling all over your leg? Are you feeling something like snake moving inside your body? It is called moving object. Have you been to the hospital and the doctors diagnose it and they say they don't know what is wrong with you? That problem, I have the antidote for it. It is called Equo Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison remover. I don't want to care how many years it has lasted in your body. All you need to do is to call me on the phone, +2347088136610. Let us discuss some modality on how I can get my products to you. I ship all part of the whole world through DHL, EMS, and FedEx. You will get your order within the interval of 4 to 5 days. We also have the Favor Soap. We have the Love and Attraction Soap. We have the Stop Evil Oil. We have the 99 Demon Manipulation Stop Evil Oil also. We have the Powerful Bracelets, Attraction Bracelets, Protection Bracelets, Pancane Oil, Original Honey, Alligator Pepper, and so on and so forth. If you need any of my product or you need me to do anything spiritually for you, don't hesitate to call my number, and God bless you. +2347088136610. That is my number. Without wasting each and every of your time, let me hit the point. Now, when you get the 7 coconut water, yes, that is the first item you are going to get. 7 coconut water. Each morning when you wake up from your sleep, go to your bedroom and pee on a container. That's your early morning urine. First of foremost, you are going to use it to pray and wash off your face for every evil marks. Then the remaining one, put it in a container, open one coconut. Coconut has 3 eyes, so you have to be opening it from the eyes. Open one coconut and pour the water inside the early morning urine. Allow that urine to stay there. At night, you are going to use it. You are going to use it by 12 a.m. on the dot. You go to your bedroom and bring it out, the one that you have mixed in the morning. Then you begin to pray against every stagnation, every delay, every utterances of any man, every utterances of any woman that is bringing failure, that is bringing blockages, that is bringing stagnation, that is bringing disappointment, that is bringing hatred in your life. Anything that is making you not to attract good thing, anything that is making you to suffer like an elephant and eat like an ant, call the universe, call your father's deities, call your father's ancestors, call the God in heaven, that through this recipe, as you are taking this bait with your early morning urine and coconut water, is still a mystery. Nobody knows how coconut carries water to up. So for that reason, nobody will know how you are going to make it on earth. Use that water to take your bait. After taking your bait, go to bed. The next day, the next morning as you are waking up, also go and pee. You have to use the coconut for 7 days. You have to use your early morning urine for 7 days. You have to use that coconut for 7 days. Each day you will use one. Each day you will use one. But before you wake up early in the morning, you need to use your urine first to wash your face first. Then reserve the remaining one and open a coconut water and pour inside of it. Leave it till night when you will take your bath and when you will make your prayers. Do this for 7 days. Complete 7 days. 7 is a number. Use the 7 ancestors. Is a completion. Do it for 7 days. If you are suffering from stagnation, disappointment, setback, blockages, this recipe is going to remove it. Yes, due to the time, I have to come to the end of this video. But if you want more explanation on this, don't hesitate to chat me on WhatsApp. You are going to do it complete 7 days. Or you put what you don't understand on the comment section. Then I will answer you and give you the direction. If you have never subscribed to my channel, do me a favor, subscribe to the red button down below this video. Like my videos, share my videos, comment on the comment section, and call me if you need any of my help. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.